All right. Welcome to the week of March 30th, 2020 in eighth grade social studies. So the purpose of this video is to share the daily directions with you, just as I normally do at the start of each class period. So let's get started. So first of all, the weekly guidelines. I'm sharing everything with you on Monday. There's several different reasons why. Uh, One, I think it's good just to kind of give you the work and then let you pace yourself. If you want to work on social studies all one day, you might be able to spend a day doing that, or you can break it up however you like. If you want to do a little bit every day, I have that pacing in here for you. So all of the assignments are going to be due on Sunday, April 5th at midnight. So you have all week to get these done, to work on these, to get them done. So let's see what we're going to do. So first, there's two assignments that I'm going to take for a grade for you between now and Sunday, April the 5th at midnight. So the first one is the Chapter 12, Lesson 1 digital worksheet. And the second one is the Chapter 12, Lesson 2 digital worksheet. So you can get to both of those by clicking on those assignments on this page. You can get to them through the homework matrix, or you can get to them in Google Classroom. So I'm trying to put these lots of different places to make it as easy as possible for you. You also see on here, I have a link to the homework matrix. So if you want to see what you have to do in your other classes, you can do that as well. So these are the only two graded assignments you're going to have for this course this week. Now, Monday, today, day one, all you're going to do is read chapter 12, lesson 1. So again, I'm not going to grade you on this. There's no grade for reading it. But tomorrow, the assignment is going to be for you to answer questions about chapter 12, lesson 1. So if you read it, you take some good notes on it, that's going to be very beneficial to you. Again, you can access your digital textbook at www.clever.com. You can go to the Clever portal. There is a little tab on your extensions bar. It's the blue box with the white C, and just choose the correct textbook. So you're just going to read the first day. Next day, you're going to review chapter 12, lesson 1. So I have actually made a video explaining chapter 12, lesson 1 for you. It seems like it comes directly from our classroom, the actual classroom. So I encourage you to watch that. If you don't want to watch it, I also have just given you a PowerPoint presentation for you to look at and see some important highlights. But the video that I made is going to be much, much more in depth. So after you did the 12.1 reading on Monday, after you reviewed the PowerPoint video I made for you for today, go ahead and complete that 12.1 digital worksheet, and that is going to be for a grade. So after you submit, you'll be able to go back and check your answers. So I encourage you to do that to make sure you understand everything fully. All right, so that takes us to Wednesday. We're going to move on to chapter 12, lesson 2. So again, you're just going to read it today. Thursday, you're going to listen and watch the video I made for this. Again, it seems like we're sitting right in class when you're watching that. And then again, if you want to go back and reference it, I've shared the presentation with you as well. And then do the digital worksheet. And then that takes us to Friday. We're going to read chapter 12, lesson 3. So again, there are two assignments for a grade this week. Assignment number 1, chapter 12, lesson 1, digital worksheet. Assignment number 2, chapter 12, lesson 2, digital worksheet. So those are both Google Forms. I asked you some questions, and there's some multiple choice answers there for you. We narrowed them down to 2 for you. Good luck, and if you have any questions, please email me.